Turns out you actually can upgrade laptops however you want. You just have to know way too much about computers. This video of a dude shoving an entire mechanical keyboard into an old dumpy laptop is equal parts impressive and unhinged. After failed attempts to fix the E key not working on his laptop, Marcin Plaza on YouTube redesigned the entirety of the bottom half of his old Lenovo pooter by essentially squishing all the internals down below the keyboard, increasing the body size, and then chucking a low-profile typer where the built-in one was. It almost sounds easy on paper, but Marcin had to completely redesign the laptop's layout to hold everything properly, and even made room for some extra I/O too. The whole thing turned out pretty impressive looking, and his already half a decade old broken laptop got a new lease on life.